Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change VW Jetta transmission fluid. First, gather your essential tools and supplies. You will need a drain pan, a socket wrench set, a new transmission filter, and fresh transmission fluid. Always ensure your vehicle is safely lifted and level. It is crucial to let the engine cool completely before beginning. Refer to your Jetta's owner's manual for the correct fluid type and the exact capacity, which is typically around 5 to 6 quarts. Now, let's drain the old transmission fluid. First, locate the transmission drain plug, usually found on the bottom of the transmission pan. Position a large drain pan directly beneath it to catch the fluid. Carefully remove the drain plug with the appropriate wrench. Allow all the old fluid to drain completely. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Be prepared for approximately 4 to 5 quarts of fluid to come out. With the old fluid drained, it's time to replace the filter and clean the pan. Remove the remaining bolts holding the transmission pan in place. Gently lower the pan, as there might be a small amount of fluid left. Remove the old transmission filter, which usually just pulls out. Clean the transmission pan thoroughly, ensuring no old gasket material remains. Install the new filter, making sure it clicks securely into place. Finally, let's refill and check the fluid level. Install a new pan gasket and carefully reattach the clean transmission pan, tightening the bolts to the manufacturer's specifications, typically around 10 to 12 foot-pounds. Using a funnel, add the recommended amount of new transmission fluid, usually about 5 to 6 quarts. Start the engine, shift through all gears, and then recheck the fluid level on a level surface, adding more if needed.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.